In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Canva. If you found yourself needing to edit a PDF but want to use Canva's versatile design tools instead, you're in the right place. First, we need to head over to the Canva website. If you haven't visited Canva before, just open your browser and type in canva.com. You'll be greeted with their homepage, filled with vibrant templates and design inspiration. If you're not logged in, make sure you do so with your existing account or create a new one. Once you're set up, you'll have access to all the features you need for this conversion. After landing on Canva, our next move is to decide on the file you want to convert. Typically, you should have your PDF ready and stored on your device. If it helps, take a moment to locate it in your File Explorer to make things smooth when we upload it into Canva. Now return to the Canva homepage. You will find an option to create a design or upload a file which will serve as the gateway for importing your PDF into Canva. Simply choose to upload your file and you'll be able to navigate through your computer to find the PDF you identified earlier and select it for upload. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see Canva work its magic, converting it into a format that's easy to edit within their platform. Now you should see your PDF displayed with Canva's editing tools at your disposal. At this point, if you wish to make any edits such as adding text, images, or other elements, feel free to explore Canva's extensive toolbar. After you've made any desired changes and you're happy with the result, it's time to export your design back to a PDF format. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll find a button labeled Share. Click on that and a menu will appear. From this menu, you will need to click on Download. You're presented with several download options. To ensure you get this back in PDF format, specifically choose PDF Standard from the drop-down list. This selection balances quality and file size, making it ideal for sharing or personal use. Once you've chosen the PDF Standard option, hit Download, and Canva will convert your newly edited design into a PDF and download it to your computer. And there you have it, your PDF has been successfully converted and edited using Canva. If you look in your Downloads folder, you should find the file ready for you, perfect for sharing with friends, colleagues, or simply for your personal archives. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your design endeavors.